I'm back and I have a purple wig on. Thank you, Everyday Wigs, by the way. I know I'm not the best at applying wigs, but you know what? Screw it. I just really want to do a purple look today, and I'm like, I want to give a huge shout out, by the way, to Everyday Wigs for sending me this. I have a code, by the way, which will be in the description down below if you want to get some money off these. I want to do an all purple inspired look. Going through all my colors, and thank God I have the Manny MUA palette because that is the only purple that I have. We are going in with our, should I just do BB cream? Yes, I should. No, I shouldn't. I'll do a mix of both. I'm gonna go in with one layer of BB cream first, and then I think I'll do a little foundation. Today I filmed a doing my cleaning my room video. My room was so messy. It made me literally not want to sleep in it because every time I looked at it, I just literally got sad. So this is the first layer of BB cream. I keep breaking out here, and I think it's because I need to wash my makeup brushes because that is exactly where I contour, and I haven't washed my contour brush in a while, and so I think that's probably why. So I think tonight I'm gonna wash my makeup brushes. Foundation. This likes to take its sweet time coming up. How do I put makeup on with a wig? I forget. Oh well, I'll deal with it. Not like I'm leaving the house. Guys, I don't know if you're gonna see this before or after my first day of school, but let me just tell you, I am so anxious. Oh my god, you can see it so much more now. Ooh, I think I should cut it more. I literally don't know what just fell. Okay, I think that actually looks pretty good. Okay, this part needs more. I have redness here that I literally can't get rid of, and it's annoying. Go away. I look so pale. Okay, time for eyebrows. I'm almost out of my brow pencil. I'm gonna set a base. Oh, my eyes look so weird. Guys, should I dye my hair purple? Even if you say yes, I probably will never because I'm too scared. Now it's time to get our powder. I know some people will preach that don't set the area before you add the eyeshadow. Well, listen, honey. I like to build up my pigment slowly. I don't want to start with one layer of purple that is so bright that it takes me 45 minutes to blend it out. Time to grab this beautiful brush. Dip it in our beautiful purple. This is so pretty. Okay, that's one eye done. This is gonna stain my eyes so hard. I literally just realized that. Now I'm going to cut this with concealer, and I'm terrified. Terrified, honey. Okay, concealer's on. Oh my god, it looks so weird until I actually finish and put on lashes. So now I'm gonna get the residue that was like on my brush and kind of just blend. So now I'm going to get my concealer, do my under eye, and cut this area. Okay, both eyes are done, and it is time to set our face. Starting with my under eye. So at Yorkdale Mall in Toronto, I got invited to Innisfree's store pre-opening event, and that is tomorrow if you're seeing this video. It's like this really popular Korean skincare place, and I am honored that I was chosen to go attend. Haha. My bronzer broke, by the way. I dropped it. Now it's time to contour. I'm bronzed. What am I saying? Cut the jaw. Ooh, or should I do a Papa Pink? Papa Pink! Oh my god, yes! Yes, sister! Yes, 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 yes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I love it! We're gonna do some lip gloss. I know it's more than just a friendship. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Wow. Lashes are on, everything is done. So this is our all purple look for today. If you guys want to see me do like all a certain color makeup look, let me know down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Please don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mwah.